Ma'am, it's very nice. I come to know about many new things from there.
It was really nice, ma'am.
It was too good, ma'am, regarding reading tips and writing.
This virtual workshop is very useful for me. I learned so many things in reading tips, and ma'am also give me so many extra tips about that.
Really, it's very nice, and I give 10 out of 10 marks.
First of all, thank you so much because you are giving a huge information about IELTS and even मतलब फ्री में दे रहे हो. सबसे अच्छी बात तो ये है कि बिना किसी पैसे के आप ये information दे रहे हो.
Hello, ma'am. I'm from Karnataka. So
Karnataka, okay, from South. So can you please tell me, like, how do you come to know about this virtual workshop?
I came to know from Instagram, a post I saw in it. So that's why from there I come to know.
All right, perfect. And how is your overall experience with the Western Overseas team?
It was quite cool and nice, and I got so much info about like how to deal with the questions and all. It's nice.
Okay, and have you attended any other virtual online fair of any other company? Have you attended that?
Not it.
Not yet. So what you want to say about the Western Overseas team? Like, are we able to satisfied you with our services with the online workshop?
Yeah, of course. Even it's a new experience, but it was nice and it was really cool. And sitting at home and all over now in the
All over the
lockdown
world.
period, it is
Exactly. Okay, thank you so much. And
ma'am.
do you think so that it is helpful for the students, like all over the world, from all over the world, students are joining this fair, and it is of course free of cost, which you are
Yeah,
attending, right? So
Yes,
do you
yes.
want to say anything on it?
Yeah, sure. It is really helpful because first thing, as you mentioned, it's free of cost, and the second thing, we cannot in this panic situation we cannot attend the classes by sitting in a room or going somewhere. So it is very helpful where we can attend the classes or
that's
getting
true.
some info but in our where we are in. So it's really good, and yeah, that's where we are using all these virtual communications and all.
May I know what is your name?
महकदीप कौर.
महकदीप कौर. Okay, so महकदीप, आप कहाँ से हो basically?
Ma'am, I basically belong to a village, Mehraj, in
Okay.
Bathinda.
Bathinda. Okay, so आपका कैसा experience रहा यहाँ पे? Online
the-
virtual workshop में.
Yes, ma'am. The virtual workshop was more like a demo class,
Okay.
and the teacher explained in a very good manner the step by step they taught about the IELTS coaching, and it was actually like more. I have encouraged myself that I should go for the online classes. The students who want to go to abroad, actually now due to the corona pandemic situation, they are free at home and they cannot choose their career for like abroad countries like Canada or Australia. So you gave the opportunity to pass out the IELTS exams and give us the coaching. So we are very thankful to you.
एक्चुअली ये मुझे फेसबुक से पता चला था. मैं ऐसे ही फेसबुक ब्राउज कर रही थी. आई जस्ट सो द इंटरव्यू ऑफ सर प्रदीप सर.
Yes.
देन
Pradeep sir.
उन्होंने बताया था इंटरव्यू में बताया था. देन मैंने वहाँ से फिर इसको रजिस्टर किया. देन आज
Alright.
मैं ऑनलाइन आई हूँ.
Okay, and what do you think that is it beneficial for the students? Like we are using the digital platform due to this pandemic situation.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, first of all, thank you so much because you are giving a huge information about IELTS and even मतलब फ्री में दे रहे हो. सबसे अच्छी बात तो ये है कि बिना किसी पैसे के आप ये information दे रहे हो. और मुझे नहीं पता था वेस्टर्न ओवरसीज़ का, तो थ्रू दैट इंटरव्यू मुझे इसका पता चला. तो मैं मतलब फ्यूचर में अपनी स्पीकिंग के लिए डेफिनेटली कोचिंग लेना चाहूँगी.
From where are you, Hardi?
I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Ahmedabad. All right. And how do you come to know about this, academic virtual workshop?
I had noticed your ad on Instagram actually, and then from there I have registered myself.
Okay. And how is your overall experience with this online platform?
Really nice. It was really nice, ma'am.
Okay, and what do you want to say? Like, is it
I
beneficial
love
for
the
the
way of
students?
teaching.
Okay,
I love the way of teaching basically, and also how teachers interact with the students. I have really loved that.
thank you so much. And do you think is it beneficial for the student? Like, we are using the digital platform. Western Overseas team is using this digital platform, and particularly in this pandemic situation. So, what do you
Yes,
think about that?
definitely it is more convenient, and you will get everything at just by clicking, by one click. So it's even more convenient to study sitting at home, even if it is not anyway locked down. Still, it would be more convenient, and also you can, invest your time in such good things if you want to really pursue something and study abroad.
Thank you so much. And what about the charges? Is it worth
Yeah,
like
yeah,
free
it
of
is
cost?
definitely convincing. It is definitely convincing. Even I, for 1 second, thought that okay, I should enroll myself. But basically, my problem is that I have not yet cleared my graduation, and the exams are still pending. So our university is not giving a firm decision on this. So I have to think twice before getting myself enrolled. So only that is my, stone for coming at your institute.
All
Stone
right.
for stepping in your institute.
Okay, and what do you think? Like, are we satisfying our clients with the services by providing online only? Is it worthful?
Actually, I have not heard about Western Overseas before this, but from my experience, I definitely feel that it would be good. It would be very good association with your institute.
And what do you think? Will you recommend to other people as well?
Surely, I would recommend.
Okay, and Nepal, tell me, from where are you?
I'm from Manipur. Yeah, I see this post and I see a post on Facebook.
कैसा रहा आपका overall experience? How is your overall experience with the Western Overseas team?
बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे भी. It's very much beneficial for
ठीक
those
है.
who go there. Online is very best. It's about times. See, I am from Manipur and there's Delhi is too far from here. So if I go the real this one class, so I have to travel up to Delhi. But now here this online classes is very much helpful. I don't need any further. I don't need to go up to Delhi to join these classes. So it is very much helpful to me also and other also, I think.
I'm from Gwalior.
Gwalior, okay. And आपको कहाँ से पता चला वेदांत?
Instagram.
Instagram से. All right. And how is your overall experience with the Western Overseas team?
It was really a good experience for me,
Hmm?
and very good interaction with professors and all. Their teaching tricks and tips and strategies all overall very good. All over the world we are facing this situation, COVID-19 pandemic situation. So I think it's very crucial time for everyone.
So what do you
it's
think?
a very
Like-
good way. It's a very good way to go and digitalize. We can learn lots of new things because here we are just saving our traveling time, so that we can utilize in some learning new ways and new techniques and strategies and build up our develop ourselves and all that. All the faculties members and all that is very familiar with all clearing doubts and yes everyone. So it's quite amazing.
Actually, my hometown is Gwalior, MP, and right now I stay in Jaipur, in Rajasthan.
Jaipur. So how do you come to know about this academic virtual workshop? कैसे पता लगा आपको?
By the Instagram post.
Instagram post, okay. And can you please tell me like how is your overall experience? कैसा रहा आपका online ये एक आपने attend किया है, demo attend किया है. So how is your overall experience?
Yes, it was awesome with trainer and the very cooperative, the way of talking and the tutor and the one lady, her name was Pooja, and she was she has a very good behavior towards students and explain everything in a very detailing. It is clearly everyone can see in that it is the very big, very good platform for the interacting students and the trainer. So there was no doubt in this.
So where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Chennai.
Chennai, okay. So how do you come to know about this, academic virtual workshop?
Yeah, I talked with your colleague. She was really helpful and she she guided me where I need to concentrate more, and she gave me the tips to follow the strategies to get the IELTS done. And she also told about the classrooms and everything. I really enjoyed it. It's really helpful.